Hi, what's up, everybody? Good morning. I'm up early this morning. I had to take some medicine, hoping that I feel okay. I think I took more than I was supposed to take. I'll talk about that later. Um, Hopefully, I'll still be breathing in the next hour. If not, then I'm gonna hurry up and hit that emergency button so the fire department can break my door down. Okay. I'm looking at just some. I don't want to say funny because this is not funny when people lose their life savings, but people that are making videos about BitConnect, which I think is kind of funny. Um, I've never seen a Ponzi scheme hurt so many people. I've seen MLM marketing. I don't like MLM marketing. The only MLM marketing that I actually approve of is Mary Kay products. When mamas used to sell that Tupperware stuff back in the day when they would have Tupperware parties. I don't know if you had a Tupperware lunchbox when you were a kid, but that was way old school, probably before most of your time. My mom sold Tupperware. I remember those Tupperware parties, and you know what? It was a physical product and it was useful. Um, I remember the toy sales that we had at our house. I remember Mary Kay products. I remember the makeup parties and stuff like that. I remember being probably 13 years old trying to put on makeup and my eyes were bloodshot red. Yeah, don't do that, kids. Um, I didn't really wear makeup at that age, but I just wanted to fit in with the old ladies. Anyway, um, that was something that was fun. It's not like that today where you have a party and you have hors d'oeuvres and served on a tray and all the ladies are buying stuff, toys and lunch boxes and makeup and perfume and oh, I forgot about Avon. I really liked Avon. I would buy from my friends and stuff because there's one product at Avon that I really like, and that's the um, it's some kind of a bath oil that you take bath with in the wintertime. Talk about pretty good. But anyway, I'm gonna have to go and look for that if they still sell that because I used to buy that back in the day. But there's certain products that I do like from these MLM companies. Not the one that pump up people and basically you have to buy into it. These were like products that you didn't buy into. You didn't have to buy a bulk to try to sell and pay monthly and things like that. It wasn't like that at all. It was strictly commission only. Like if you wanted to sell Avon, you might buy a package now just to showcase to people. But for the most part, you're giving away magazines or those little booklets and stuff. When people want to buy something, you write it down, you send it to the company, and then you give it to them when it comes in. You're not buying bulk or whatever. So it was so much safer. Today it's a whole different topic. I don't know how Amway went down. I heard it was a bad thing, but this is right now, the Ponzi schemes that they have right now, people are putting their whole life savings in. I was looking at this guy, I think it was yesterday or the day before, where he only had 30K, his life savings, young guy, lost 30K. The guy looked like he wanted to drive his car off a bridge. Seriously, somebody's gonna go into a Ponzi scheme that's so bad. One guy, I heard it was a guy talking on a video yesterday. He said that some guy had emailed him or messaged him and saying that he wanted to shoot himself. He had to give the guy his phone number or ask for his phone number so he can hurry up and call him, and he hadn't heard from him in like 36 hours from BitConnect. I'm not talking about something way back in the day. I'm talking about BitConnect. I've seen 3 people already that seriously wanted to jump off. I've heard of it. 2 I've seen. The other one, they haven't heard from in 36 hours now, probably, maybe more than that now, maybe 3 or 4 days now. But there is some serious money to be made having your mouth open like this on a thumbnail. That Trevon guy, every thumbnail that I see with him on it, he has his mouth wide open. Basically what he's saying is, and I think I wrote it here, F BitConnect. I watched that guy's video who was in the car who lost 30K. Damn. That Trevon guy, which is him, always have his mouth wide open on thumbnails. And basically he is telling you all to come and blink him off. Basically that's what he's saying. Okay, I've watched some of his videos before. And if the guy is as rich as he say he is, he would not market the way he's marketing. Meaning that I've known wealthy affiliates, okay? I've known wealthy affiliates. They didn't put affiliate links all over YouTube and on social networks and spaces. They did it on their own domain, their website, on their blogs. They didn't market this way. Most of them were in the advertising sphere anyway. When they made a certain amount of money, they had ad runs on Facebook, and they bought ad space on websites. So he is not marketing the way I've known rich affiliates to market at all. He's doing it in a way where I'm poor, I'm broke, I need some money. So I'm going to lie to you and say I'm making money, because if I can sell that to you, I can sell you a dream type of thing. Because I've seen him on other platforms where he's talking, everywhere I see him, he has an affiliate link. That's not how marketers, I didn't even market that way, and I was poor marketing. I even had space on Facebook, advertising space on my domains with an S. I didn't post affiliate links all over YouTube and everywhere. I didn't. This was back in the day. I put in money on, not on YouTube, I'm sorry, in a Google advertising platform and Facebook advertising platform. And there was another website, a coupon site that I would talk on, a forum and a website. That's how I did it. I didn't go and I didn't make videos scamming people. And I was selling a physical product, not some cryptocurrency, nothing that wasn't tangible. Everything that I sold or marketed or, put up there to say, here, buy this, here, buy that. This was something, number one, it had to be affordable, meaning that anybody could buy it. Number two, it was something tangible. And number three, it was no market. They had a physical store. Never like this. Never where somebody was getting scammed. So people that say affiliate marketing is a scam because they listened to this guy way back in the day when when they had this video a long time ago about the boiler rooms and everything. That wasn't affiliate marketing. These were people creating shitty products. The affiliates that got into it is the affiliate marketer that promoted it. Affiliate marketing isn't the scam. The creators of Bitcoin is the scam. And I would have to say, if you knew it was a scam and you promoted it, you are also a scammer. But affiliate marketing in general, the title, no, it isn't a scam. If I decided I wanted to promote a product for, a seafood company, which I did before and made some good money on, I mostly promoted that to people who were wealthy, who were buying for parties and stuff. And whenever I would promote, at one time I promoted Jones Soda before it was on the shelf in every gas station now. I would promote that on Facebook. Before, I had fun doing stuff like that. I was learning, but it was a physical product. I even promoted free video games because people, there was a company, whatever, just wanted people to get into the game. And I mostly promoted that on Facebook for people that was playing Farmville at the time. Oh, man. Affiliate marketing in general is not a scam. Ponzi schemes and MLM marketing just might be if you're not selling a physical product where you're not putting, if it's costing you money, if you're having to give the company money, don't do it. If they're giving you some resources to sell for them, look into it and make sure it's a physical product. But if you're having to pay a fee, a monthly fee, don't. Because whenever you are an affiliate for a company, there is no fee. You're not paying somebody to promote their store. They're paying you to promote them. Hello. Okay, this is just for people who wants to get into affiliate marketing. Usually fourth quarter is the best time of the year to have your product up there, have your promotions up there. So spring and summer and all that's coming around, people for some strange reason don't buy as much in the spring and summer, usually not until after around the fall season or whatever. But if you're wanting to learn about affiliate marketing, I feel like that space and the good lessons in affiliate marketing, I feel like that's over because a lot of those guys are just not here anymore. The ones that were the good teachers, they're not here anymore. And many of them who were wealthy affiliates, one that I used to talk to on a regular, he put his money not into affiliate marketing because he was getting cheated by the companies. He put whatever he made into real estate in Canada, where he lived. I think it was British Columbia he lived. He invested into real estate, rental properties, where he's making money every month, which was smart. I don't know what all the other guys did. I'm thinking that they just went to school, if they did quit college, and I'm wondering how they able to afford all those cars and those big houses. But anyway, but yeah, affiliate marketing, I'm thinking about getting back into it, but most of it is going to be about it's going to be about something that's actually tangible. You know, it could be a website that I thought about one time, making a website where I'm just promoting, you know, running shoes or whatever. These are shoes that you can buy in basically getting the cheapest price for the same shoe. You know, something like that. You know, you might get a different price at this one store. You might get a different price at Amazon. You might get a different price on eBay. Who has the best price, kind of thing. I thought about making a website like that where you're selling running shoes. That's just one idea that I have. Another idea that I had, I'm thinking about going back and actually selling or promoting some of those products. The food that I used to promote back in the day that was being promoted to people that would have big parties and stuff like that. Maybe have a website dedicated to just that, and also recipes and stuff like that, cooking. And also have a website where I'm promoting, and it's a niche topic where I'm really talking to people who are disabled, and having a website specifically targeted to people who are disabled and want to work from home and are doing things that are not going to cost them money. It's strictly making money, never going to cost you money out of your pocket until you've earned a good amount of money. But I wanted to talk about what I did while getting disability, what I did, how I earned money where I could get my son a Christmas gift or whatever, even though I didn't celebrate Christmas. You know, that's a whole other topic anyway. But I did things where I could do things for my family that I couldn't do before because I was disabled and sick at home. Even before I had cancer, I was on disability because my bipolar disorder was so severe, I couldn't hold down a job, even though an employer would tell me that I would be the best worker that they ever had. You know, it's like being on a roller coaster. You might be the best worker and they want you to come back. Because of your disability, it's not going to be good for the company or for you or for the people around you. But that's a whole nother topic. I wanted to focus a website and talk about that and talk directly to people all over the country. I only know about the U.S., so I can only give advice to people that are living within the U.S. and who are U.S. citizens. And what you can do to help yourself, what resources there are out there. So that's not going to be an affiliate site, but it's going to be a site with information and monetized with Google ads, but not so heavy to where it actually affects the fact that, you know, affect your reading on the site, but just have more information put aside. Mostly the programs that I wanted to promote, I wouldn't get paid for that. I don't get paid for talking about vocational rehabilitation, which is a federal funded program for people that are disabled, blind, deaf. That's a federal program. And I'm not an affiliate with that. I've gone through that program, so I know about it and I can tell you about it. But anyway, people, I just wanted to give a little bit about my information about me and who I am and what I don't like about MLM. It's just nasty. And if you're going to suggest your affiliate link to somebody or give somebody your affiliate link, make sure that you tell them exactly what it is, what it's about, and what they're getting. The only affiliate link that I can think of right now that I have on my YouTube, let's go to my channel, my week channel. I might have a TubeBuddy affiliate link. I like the program. I think that they need to add some more things to TubeBuddy to help new YouTubers, but overall, I approve. I use TubeBuddy. I have a pro account. I can show you that right now. Let's go and let's refresh the page. I do have a pro account. I hope I still have it. Why isn't it showing up? Let's go there. Oh, I think I know what happened. I think I turned it off when I refreshed my browser. What I did was I made my browser back like it was back in the day when I first installed it. So that means I have to go to my add-ons here. Let's go there. Let's go to my add-ons. More tools, tools. Extensions. Go to my extensions there and turn it back on. I think I turned it off. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, let me enable that and go back. But I have no doubts that you are smart and you know what a scam is. And it's not affiliate marketing per se, but it is the scheme. I do have a pro account, so I won't promote something that I haven't tried or I have faith in. Put it like that. I might have faith in that a Lamborghini is going to run and it's going to go real fast. And if I had an affiliate link to a Lamborghini, yeah, I'd promote that even though I don't own it. So what I'm saying is that if I have faith in that product, I'm going to promote it even if I don't own it. But this is a program that I do use, so there is an affiliate link that I have. Okay, folks, I hope you all have a good and blessed day. For me, I took some medication. I took more than I was supposed to because I felt really bad, and I'm gonna just try to walk it out, and hopefully I start bouncing back in an hour or two. Usually it takes that long for it to set in, make me feel better. For the people that wonder what the hell is going on with you, I have pancreatic cancer. I did some chemo. They took me out of the chemo even though it was working for me and put me into radiation treatment. I'm halfway through my treatment for radiation. Doctor told me about 2 days ago that you're halfway through, and then after that you're going to get a break from chemo and radiation, and then we're going to see how those cells, if those cells are shrinking or not. So I'll find out. It's going to be some time until I can find out if all of the treatment that I've had since September has worked for me. And I'll find out. Boy, I feel bad right now. I'm going to have to tell you that many mornings I have woken up, sat at my desk and cried. So that's just how things are for me right now. But this is not even, the feeling that I have about my cancer it's not even as bad as I feel about all of these people that lost money with BitConnect. I feel worse for them. Seriously, I really do. And I hope that they can earn the money back by hard work and being smart and not jumping on a bandwagon like so many people. There's a lot of people on YouTube right now promoting affiliate links for cryptocurrencies. And if you're going to invest in something, invest in something that is already that has a better reputation than, some lending platform. It's kind of too late to invest in Bitcoin now unless you're a miner or some type of trader. It's really too late. But I wouldn't go into trading either because people are being sent to prison even though there's no law against it. In their state, they're being sent to federal prison. So don't even trade. Take care.